Hello, welcome back to the 370Z project. As you can see, I've already done some work tearing this down, tearing the fender off, the headlight off, and I found that the main place of damage is right there. So I think I have this wheel got shoved back up in there really hard, and on the interior I've already pulled the seat out. But you can see right there, that is the biggest part of the damage where it came through. I don't even know if that's fixable or not. So, I don't know. Right now I'm kind of discouraged with it, but I guess I keep pushing on and pushing on. We haven't really get it to start yet. The fusible links down there all look good. So I may pull the battery out and see what that does for it. It's on the charger there, as you can see. But I guess my main focus is I'll try to get the suspension fixed. Oh. Our kitty litter is not working. Well, after taking a quick look at it, I don't feel quite as bad about it, because when you step on the brake, all these taillights come on, which tells me that this car probably has a problem that I read about on the forums, that it probably has that Nissan Z steering block problem, and I'll have to get that part and see if that fixes it and lets it turn on, because I've read about that, and that would be a logical explanation of why we're not getting anything from it right now. So right now we're gonna take a quick lunch break. We'll be back working on it. We'll see what happens. So, well, we are back from lunch, and change of plan. I'm going to try to start replacing all this so we can get it rolling and see if we can roll it off of the trailer here later today. So I got some of these parts. I got lower control arm, I got a strut, tie rod. Did not get an upper control arm yet, but it's coming. So we'll replace that and see what happens. Alright, so we got the wheel separated from the rest of the suspension, and I guess I'll need to keep taking this apart and keep pulling out the suspension off of it so we can get it replaced. So, progress anyway. Progress. Oh. Sorry I haven't given an update in a while, but we got the knuckle separated from the wheel, which this wheel is in terrible shape because it got destroyed. You can see right there. So that's useless now. Other than that, we determined that it needs a rack, because on the inner tie rod, this part, it goes back into where it steers, broke off right there, as you can see. So it's going to need a rack, and then we also still need to figure out the starting issue, which we haven't figured that out yet. But got it pretty much tore down all the way, all the suspension parts off, and been working on stripping this thing down, all the broke parts off that, and just trying to keep making progress on it. So last update of this video. Got the battery tray out, and you probably can't see, but down there it's all crumpled because this section right here that crumples. We'll have to try to bang that out or something next time and see what we can do from there. But there's the battery tray. One of the holes ripped out, but other than that, we got everything tore apart. Finally, it needs a rack, steering rack yet, and everything else. So hopefully, keep making progress, and maybe we can get it started next time. And hopefully, we can get a new battery instead of having the what I believe to be the original battery in it. So until next time, peace out. Like, subscribe, and keep watching these videos all the way to the end because we need the help for sure. Say goodbye, dog. Bye.